Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here to practice English with us today.
Today's topic is special. We will learn English with positive thinking.
Yes, we will practice easy everyday vocabulary, and we will also build confidence.
This lesson is perfect for A1 and A2 learners. We will speak slowly. We will use simple sentences.
Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English practice.
David, what is positive thinking?
Positive thinking means you focus on good things. You believe you can improve. You say kind words to yourself.
Yes. For example, instead of saying, "My English is bad," you say, "My English is improving."
That is a big difference. Repeat after me. My English is improving. Good job.
Let's learn some positive sentences. I can learn English. I can improve every day. I am getting better. I am proud of myself.
Repeat. I can improve every day.
Excellent.
You can also say, I am not perfect, but I am learning. Mistakes help me grow.
That is very important. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good teachers.
Now let's learn easy positive words you can use every day. Happy, excited, calm, confident, thankful, proud, motivated.
Let's use them in simple sentences. I feel happy today. I feel confident when I practice. I am thankful for my teacher.
Repeat. I feel confident. Very good.
Now let's talk about goals. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, say, I am learning to speak English.
Yes. Change negative words to positive words. Negative. This is difficult. Positive. This is challenging, but I can do it. Repeat. I can do it. Great job. Let's practice a small conversation. David, how do you feel about your English?
I feel motivated. I practice every day. How about you, Emily?
I feel confident. I am improving step by step.
That is positive thinking.
Positive thinking is not only words, it is also habits. You can say, I practice English for 20 minutes every day. I listen to English podcasts. I speak English with friends.
Example, I practice a little every day because small practice helps me improve.
That is a great sentence. It uses because.
Self-talk means the words you say to yourself. Good self-talk. I am learning. I am trying my best. I will not give up.
Repeat. I will not give up. Excellent.
When you feel tired, say, I need rest, but I will continue tomorrow. That is healthy and positive.
Now listen to a full example. Sometimes English is difficult, but I am improving every day. I practice speaking for 15 minutes. I listen to podcasts. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. I feel proud of myself because I never give up.
That is a beautiful example. Simple, positive, clear.
Now answer these questions out loud. 1. How do you feel when you study English? 2. What positive sentence can you say today? 3. How many minutes do you practice every day? Pause the video and speak. Good job! Speaking out loud builds confidence. If you feel slow, that is okay. If you make mistakes, that is okay. If you forget words, that is okay.
Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself.
You are brave because you are learning English.
Yes, you are doing something amazing. Today we learned, I can improve every day. I am getting better. I feel confident. I will not give up. Mistakes help me grow. These are powerful and simple sentences.
Now tell us in the comments. 1. What positive sentence will you say today? 2. How do you stay motivated? 3. Why are you learning English?
Write your answers. Practice English with our community.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You need practice, you need patience, and you need positive thinking.
We believe in you.
Keep learning, keep smiling, keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye.